wanted to build bigger rockets, so I wanted to get my mid-power cert. I'm going to launch this rocket at the rocket launch today.
Two, one.
Oh, your parachutes come out?
Yes. I wanted my rockets to go faster and be bigger, like physically bigger, wider and taller. So I thought I'd get my mid-power cert. So the rules of medium power is pretty simple. The rules are that your rocket has to land within the launch range and it needs to come out reflyable condition. And one of the most important rules was that you have to build it all by yourself. So my dad wasn't allowed to help me with this. And this was like my second rocket I built all by myself. Landings and some more. Until they look like this. Medium-powered rocket. This is what it looks like unpainted. So let's paint it. I'm gonna give this rocket a light coat of sanding after its white coat of primer. Space unicorn, soaring round the earth, delivering the rainbows to the cast. Time to paint my rocket Christmas colours for a Christmas launch. And then you get the last string. And there you have it, a parachute. Now let's test it. Like that. Yeah! So my medium-powered rocket was my birthday present, and it was way harder than all my little low-powered rockets. So yeah, it was a big challenge to build this rocket. So this is my Christmas rocket, Baby Xyla. She is a Christmas rocket with a little elf, written elf. So I'm going to choose my rocket, Baby X. This is my rocket, Baby Xyla. I called it this because, well, it's a big rocket, so I thought Big Baby would be good for it. Big, and it's based off a black Brant X rocket, so I thought BBX and Big Baby Xyla stands for BBX would be a bit of a, like, people would know it's a black Brant X rocket because I call it BBX as well. Okay, so this is my rocket. I've got my nose cone, my maintaining compartment, my shock toward boot thing, and some weight there. And I've got my extra fins here, little fins, and then got my main body tube, another bit of mass, my motor mount here, got my fins. Now I'm going to see what motors I can choose from. So this one is a F20W. I think I would go with that one. This is aerospace. That's where I buy my motors from. And I think this motor will be good, so let's put it into our system. Okay, motor, let's insert my motor, choose engine, and I want to go F20. Okay, I'm going to show, and I don't want it to be plugged, I want it to be on 7. Then I'm going to go enter, enter. Okay, then I'm going to go launch my rocket. Everything looks successful. Safe. So it's safe, but okay, so I won't be able to get off the launch rail at a good speed. I want to be at 30 or higher, and right now I'm on 23. I'm going to go back here, see what other motors they have. So they have F67W. 67. Okay, let's try the 6-7 motor. F67W. Choose engine. F67. 67. Oh, here it is. F67, and we want the W. Okay. Now, let's see. I'm going to choose 6. So this one, it goes tuned at deployment feet is going to be 945. Max altitude feet 950, and max velocity miles per hour 191. 7 time to aperture. Yes. Okay, and save. That's good. And then here. Okay, that's much better. Not 23, it's 32 now. So that will be a successful launch. I'll get that motor because it'll be better.
So you might have noticed a lot.
Keep going. Keep more. Where's your launch lights? You always want to put that on the other side of your launch lights. And then slip that rubber band over the motor and there you go. You can either start falling out. Just pull it through. It's just where a bit of flush. Yep.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Two, one.
Oh, your parachutes come out.
Yes. Woohoo! Yeah. Got all my bits?
Fins are nice and strong. Good, labels, launch good. Canards are all great. Parachute is great. It's great, still nice and tight. It's fantastic. Rocket is definitely viable. And you've got your blanket bag.
Thank you.